Do you want to know how you can log into your Elmo Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Elmo Payroll account. Go ahead and open your browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and then search for Elmo Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see this is the official login portal of Elmo Payroll. Go ahead and start with your email address. Write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, go to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it by clicking on this button. Then click on Login. This way you can successfully log into your Elmo Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link. It will help you to recover your password. So, this is how you log into your Elmo Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.